Give some recognition to some men and women you might not even know. If you're driving through a small town, you can see their picture hanging on a telephone pole, flying high for all to see, their name and branch of the military man. That's loyalty. They're valiant, courageous, they honored this nation, served their time, laid it all on the line for freedom and liberty. They're proud, they're brave, they fearlessly gave everything they had to let freedom ring. They're veterans from now and years ago, we call hometown heroes. They all paid the price, didn't think twice, some made the ultimate sacrifice. As hell rained down, they stood their ground, living up to the oath they vowed. They did it for me, they did it for you, did it for the love of the red, white, and blue. For this, we owe them gratitude. They're valiant, courageous, they honored this nation, served their time, laid it on the line for freedom and liberty. They're proud, they're brave, they fearlessly gave everything they had to let freedom ring. They're veterans from now and years ago, we call hometown heroes. They're valiant, courageous, they honored this nation, served their time, laid it on the line for freedom and liberty. They're proud, they're brave, they fearlessly gave everything they had to let freedom ring. They're veterans from now and years ago, we call hometown heroes. We call them hometown heroes.